Treću.
Open your eyes.
Samo ja ne znam koja da odbram, da li je ovaj ili ovo.
Close your eyes.
Ali ti dve kupuješ svakako.
Open it.
Ili ne?
Looking up.
Vidite pa mi se kako tako
Dve
je.
različite dve.
Okay.
Dve različite uzme.
Close your eyes more strong.
Opet.
Now let's try to the left side, the right side.
Yeah, I am like Jack Sparrow.
You know, as the Arabic Kohl, this is not just a trick for show. This is for healthy for eyes. This is for the dust, for bacteria, and for sun.
Okay.
And you have any problem for eyes, this good here you help your eyes for any problem. Good for allergic. Good here for eyelash, you give the eyelash more stronger and more bigger. And you help your eyes for sun more.
لما نعمل الوجهة الثانية.
Can I have second eye?
Yeah.
Is it free just one eye?
Yeah, it's good marketing. Huh?
You need to try another eyes, you need to here sell 1 million dinar.
Yeah, I thought so too. Then I stay here.
You know, this is natural, made here for the tree, for resin. Yeah.
Yeah, they made it from raisin tree. They keep it until it dried out. Then they smash it and